Without Core, care gaps slip through. With Core, they don't. Patient 4821, aged 74, with 2 ED visits on record, but no follow-up. TRIAD Core, your clinic's OS, for RHCs, FQHCs, and multi-clinic organizations. Same patient, same chart, no switching. Population Health flagged the risk Tuesday. Prior auth approved Thursday. RPM cuff shipped Friday. Your compliance engine running. Live evaluated against your real data, not a static checklist. HIPAA, MIPS, care gaps, RPM billing. $17.99 a month. 1 subscription. 6 fewer logins. Active compliance, care gaps, RPM, patient 360, all in one place. Patient 4821 has a follow-up scheduled. Because this time nobody forgot. TriadHealthEngine.com